Hello dear kids, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, this is your general knowledge video class and we are meeting once again in this video class. So children, we are on page number 42 children, and today's topic is quizzing poems. Okay, quizzing poems is a wonderful topic. And many of you, I believe that many of you must have heard these poems. These poems are very famous poems, and in a simple way you can say these are the nursery rhymes. So these are the rhymes which you have, I must believe that you must have heard or must have learned in your previous classes like LKG, UKG and pre-primary. So children, today is the day of quizzing poems. In that we will sing, we will dance and we will recite the poems. Okay children, so let's start today class. So today is 20th July 2021 children, and this is your GK class, general knowledge class, class 1 children. Okay, this is your class 1, and today's topic is this, you can find in your book, that is quizzing poems. Quizzing poems. Okay, quizzing poems. This is QUIZZING, quizzing poems children. So quizzing poems, it means we have to recite the poem first, then we will get the correct clue. Okay, and then we will write the correct clue inside that. Okay children, let's start. This is very entertaining class. I hope this will be very entertaining class today. So children, look at these pictures from the poems Novi has learnt. Answer Novi's question about these poems. So children, in your book, Know for Sure, page number 42, we are on page number 42, quizzing poems. Okay children, so first one is, here you can see, the first one, here you can see children, one tap is on and water is coming out from the tap, and this is a spider. Okay, here is a spider, so you must believe this rhyme is based on a spider. I think you must have been heard about Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider is very famous poem, very famous rhyme, and now we are going to recite this. Incy Wincy Spider climbing up the spout, down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain, and Incy Wincy Spider climbed up spout again. So children, I'm going to write this poem on the board. You just recite it with me. Okay. The title is Incy Wincy Spider. The title name is Incy Wincy Spider children. Incy Wincy Spider. Okay. Now here I am going to write Incy Wincy Spider climbing up the spout. Where Incy Wincy climbing? Climbing up the spout. Okay. Climbing up the spout. It means किसी फ्लो वाली जगह पे, जहाँ पे स्पाउट मीन्स जहाँ से पानी निकलता है, That is called spout. That spout the incy wincy spider was climbing. वो चढ़ रहा था, ऊपर चढ़ रहा था. तो इंसी विंसी स्पाइडर, स्पाइडर तो सबने देखा होगा कैसा होता है स्पाइडर, है ना. हाँ, दिस इज एन इंसेक्ट एंड यू कैन सी इन योर हाउस very often you can see. So children, here you can see incy wincy spider is climbing up the spout, and what is the next line? Down came the rain. Down came the rain. Down came the rain, and what happened? Down came the rain and washed the spider out. And washed the spider out, children. Now children, here you can see, once we will repeat this poem, that is incy wincy spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain, down came the rain and washed the spider out. जब rain हुई तो spider washed out हो गया. So here incy wincy spider climbing on the spout, climbing on the spout. Down came the rain, down came the rain and washed the spider out, and washed the spider out. This way we can recite this poem. This is wonderful poem. And now here you can see on which, where, what was the spider climbing. So here we will get the answer, climbing up the spout, children. Where the incy wincy spider is climbing up? Climbing up the spout. Where it is climbing? It is climbing up the spout. It means वो spout के ऊपर चढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था. It was trying to climb up the spout. So here spout मतलब जहाँ से पानी निकलता है, जहाँ से पानी forcefully निकलता है, that is called spout, है ना. तो that is why incy wincy spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. और जैसे ही बारिश हुई और वो तुरंत ही बह गया. So this is what we have to learn. So here the second line you can get this is the answer. Now if you will write the next stanza of this poem, so what we will get in the next stanza, children? Out came the sunshine. Out came the sunshine. Okay, out came the sunshine. And here what has happened? And dried up all the rain. And dried up all the rain, children. Dried up all the rain. And incy wincy spider, and incy wincy spider, incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Climbed up the spout again, children. अभी क्या हुआ? Rain hui and the incy wincy spider were washed away. Now what happened? One, out came the sunshine. When the sunshine came, so what happened? All the things were dried up and dried up all the rain. जब sunshine हुई तो सारा rain जो था, सारा wet area था, वो dry हो गया. Okay? Now an incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. और वापस से इंसी विंसी स्पाइडर कहाँ चढ़ गया? स्पाउट पे चढ़ गया. तो क्या था? इंसी विंसी स्पाइडर क्लाइंबिंग अप द स्पाउट. डाउन केम द रेन, डाउन केम द रेन एंड वॉश द स्पाइडर आउट. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा इज आउट केम द सनशाइन एंड ड्राइड अप ऑल द रेन एंड इंसी विंसी स्पाइडर climbed up the spout again. दोबारा से वो फिर कहाँ चढ़ गया, फिर से वापस से वो कहाँ चढ़ गया, स्पाउट पे. So this is very famous rhyme. This is called nursery rhymes and the name is Incy Wincy Spider. So we will write the answer here. What was the spider climbing? Now here I am going to write the question. So what was the spider climbing? Okay, what was the spider climbing? So here question mark is there, that is spout. Spout पे वो चढ़ रहा था. ठीक है, write it down children. Spout. Okay, spout. What was the spider climbing? He was climbing at the spout. Okay children. Now we will do the next one. The next one is, where did the lamb follow Mary? Now here the next one is, here you can see, where did the lamb follow Mary? Now children, this is also very famous nursery rhyme. That is, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Lamb किसको बोलते हैं बताइए? Lamb जो sheep होती है उसके बेबी को बोलते हैं lamb. और Mary is a girl. Here Mary is a girl. So Mary एक girl का नाम है. और Mary के पास क्या था? एक छोटा सा lamb था, very tiny cute lamb. And its fur is white. So the poem is, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. This type of the poem we are going to recite. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Okay, its fleece was white as snow. It means its fur is looking like a snow, as white as snow children. So here we are talking about lamb. So I will write the poem on the board also and we will learn this poem. And we just recapitulate the poem because we have already learned in our previous classes children. So here, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Okay. So I will write on the board children. Okay. I am going to write the next poem, that is Mary had a little lamb. Okay. So children, let's write. Mary had a little lamb children. Mary had a little lamb. Okay. Okay children, Mary had a little lamb. Little lamb little lamb. Okay, little lamb, little lamb. Okay, now Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Was white as snow children. Now here children you can see, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Now the next line. And everywhere that Mary went, that Mary went, okay, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. The lamb was sure to go, children. Now here, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And now the next line is, and everywhere that Mary went, at everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It means जहाँ जहाँ मैरी जाती है वहाँ वहाँ लैम्ब भी ज़रूर जाता है. So children, this is a very beautiful rhyme. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Now, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It means wherever the Mary went, same place, this lamb was also following. So the question is, it means the answer you will get everywhere. This is your answer. So now I am going to write the second one over here, second answer. So second question is, where did the lamb follow Mary? Where did the lamb follow Mary? Okay, now here we are going to write everywhere. Everywhere. This is the answer of second number. Everywhere the lamb is following him. Everywhere. Okay. So write it down. Everywhere. So completed, children. Everywhere you just write it down at second number. Now children, I hope it is not clear to you. So I am going to write over here. So you can see, where did the lamb follow Mary? Follow Mary. So here, second number, this is everywhere. Everywhere, children. This is everywhere. So write it down, second number, this is everywhere. Okay, the answer is everywhere. Okay, write it down. Now we are moving to the third question. That is, here you can see, where did Jack jump over? Where did Jack jump over? So this is also a rhyme. The rhyme name is Jack Be Nimble. Jack Be Nimble is the rhyme's name. So Jack the Nimble. Okay, children. So here I am going to write this beautiful poem on the board so you can learn this. So the poem name is Jack Be Nimble. Jack Be Nimble. Jack Be Nimble, children. The title name is Jack Be Nimble. Okay. Now I am going to write Jack Be Nimble. Jack Be Nimble. Jack Be Quick. Jack Be Quick. Jack Jump Over. Jack jump over the candlestick. The candlestick. So here children, this is the poem which we are going to recite. Okay children? So this is the poem about Jack be nimble. Jack be nimble, here is a person whose name is Jack, जिसका नाम Jack है. Okay? And this person is very quick. Very quick मतलब बहुत ही full of enthusiasm, full of energy. So Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. So here Jack be quick. It means it's so energyful person. Jack jump over. Jack jump over. Jack ऊपर कूदा the candlestick. Jack across candlestick के कूदा. So Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. So here we are going to start this beautiful poem, that is Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over, Jack jump over the candlestick, the candlestick. This way we can sing this. Now again, Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick, the candlestick. So the candlestick के ऊपर से अगर आप देखेंगे तो Jack कूद रहा है. Here you can see Jack is climbing over or jumping over this candlestick. Okay? So this is the Jack be nimble. Okay children? So Jack be nimble, Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick, the candlestick. Okay? So this is Jack be nimble. This is a very famous rhyme of, it is called its nursery rhyme. It is very famous children. So learn this. Mary had a little lamb, Incy Wincy Spider, and the third poem is Jack be nimble. Okay? So here, what did Jack jump over? So here the answer you can see, candlestick. किसके ऊपर से Jack कूदा? Jack कूदा candlestick के ऊपर से. So the third number you will write, what did Jack jump over? What did Jack jump over? Now here children, the answer is candlestick. Candlestick के ऊपर से Jack be nimble कूदा. So here the candlestick. So children write it down. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick. किसके ऊपर से कूदा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में है, what did Jack jump over? Okay, the question mark will be placed, है ना? क्वेश्चन मार्क हम यहाँ लगा देंगे और फिर क्या बन जाएगा क्वेश्चन? आंसर इज कैंडलस्टिक. आंसर इज कैंडलस्टिक. सो व्हाट डिड जैक जंप ओवर? जैक जंप ओवर कैंडलस्टिक. ओके, सो कंप्लीटेड चिल्ड्रन. Okay, take a screenshot. Now children, we are moving to the fourth one. That is, here you can see very famous rhyme, Jack and Jill. Yes, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill come trembling after. Okay, so here Jack and Jill went up to the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and Jill come trembling after. Okay, so now Jack fell down and broke his crown. It means उसका सर जो है वो फट जाता है. So now I am going to write over here Jack and Jill, the fourth number poem or rhyme you can say. Okay, the title is Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill. Okay, so Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Jill came trembling after. Now children, here you can see Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown and Jill came trembling after. It means Jack and Jill, there are two brother and sister, and they went up to the hill. Why they went to the hill? They went to fetch the water from the hill. हिल पे एक वेल होगा जिसकी वजह से वो ऊपर गए थे और ऊपर जाके उन्होंने पानी लिया. पानी जब लिया और जब वो वापस आए तो फिर क्या हुआ, जैक जो है वो गिर गया और जैक का ये फोरहेड पे चोट आ गई, है ना, चोट आ गई. और जो जिल थी, बिकॉज ये इस तरह से था, एक लंबा सा ढलान था, तो उसकी वजह से जिल भी लुढ़कते आ गई. सो जिल केम ट्रम्बलिंग आफ्टर. ट्रम्बलिंग मतलब यूँ गोल होते हुए, ट्रम्बलिंग करते वो भी पीछे आ गई. सो हियर you can see Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown and Jill came trembling after. Jill came trembling after. It means Jack के पीछे Jill भी पीछे trembling करते हुए, रोल करते हुए आ गई. Okay. So now children, let's see what is the question over here. So the question you can see, who fell down and hurt his head in this poem? Who fell down and hurt his head in this poem? Now here you can see the answer. Jack fell down and broke his. Now the answer is Jack. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Crown means होता है सर. क्राउन आपका ये है ना, इस पे क्राउन पहनते हैं. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड फोरहेड. तो हेड किसका टूटा? जैक का टूटा. तो जैक ही गिरा और जैक का ही टूटा. सो वी विल राइट ओवर हेयर आंसर. Question number 4 I am going to write over here. Question number 4 is, who fell down? Who fell down, children? Who fell down and hurt his head in this poem? इस पोम में कौन गिरा और किसका सर? हाँ. Now children, you can see over here, the question is, who fell down and hurt his head in this poem? Now because here I have written Jack fell down and broke his crown and Jill came trembling after. Okay. So now here the answer is, answer you will write Jack. Okay. Answer क्या है? Jack है. Okay. Write it down. हाँ. Write it down. Okay. So children, this is your question number 4 and you just write it down, your 4 number question, and after that you will write Jack. J-A-C-K, jack. Okay, complete it. Now children, after that we will do in our next video next poem, that is you can find on page number 43, that is Little Miss Muffet, and the next is Ek Chidiya. Okay, Ek Chidiya we will do in our next videos. So children, learn these poems which we have written on the board, and you just write it down in your copy, because these are the poems which you have learned in your primary classes or your pre-primary classes we can say. तो आप प्री प्राइमरी क्लासेस में ये सारी पोम्स आप लर्न कर चुके हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट न्यू फॉर यू, बट चिल्ड्रन इसको याद करिए फिर से. ये बहुत ही आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा इसको याद करके. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग दिस पोएम ऑन द बोर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ यू जस्ट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू रिकॉल दीज पोम्स विच यू हैव आई थिंक यू हैव फॉरगॉटन, है ना. मैं सोचती हूँ कि आप भूल चुके होंगे ये पोम्स, तो इसको एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करने के लिए, इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी हैव रिसाइटेड दीज पोम्स. सो ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कंक्लूड माई वीडियो. Tomorrow we will meet again, and then we will complete few more poems in our next video. Okay, so till then, bye bye and take care.